here's a little organization hack.
So here is my utensil caddy that I have. I reorganized my kitchen drawers and I put separators now, so I no longer need it. But it's sturdy, it's in great condition. Why get rid of it? These are tips on how to repurpose and reuse items so that you don't have to buy those expensive organization tools. Is the Container Store amazing? Absolutely. But we got to learn to work with what we have. And then when you have the budget or the time and you're ready to get a nice organization set, why not? So here I put all my junk drawer into this container. And so I'm going to be sorting through it and compartmentalizing into the utensil caddy exactly what's important, what's similar, put them all in little groups, which is perfect to have the division. So I decided to first Lysol, wipe down, disinfect, and sanitize, even if the stuff in the junk drawer doesn't look exactly too sanitary. Alrighty, now that we have it nice and sanitized, let's get started sorting and seeing what can be reused, what I keep, and what is trash. Yay! Here I have the finished product. As you see, thumbs down, that's trash, what I'm getting rid of. And here, this is everything that I was able to section off. I have in the front different tapes that can be utilized. There's electrical tape, there's tape for the shower heads or, to secure them. We have some clear tape as well. And then, see, as I point to the clear tape, those are some that's for moving heavy furniture, sliders that you can use. And then towards the back, I have one section that has a bunch of tools that there's something I'm always trying to fix. If a handle's loose in the kitchen, I go for the screwdriver. Or also there's another section there. If you can see, there's pens, there's markers, there's highlighters. I even have a stud finder for when I need my husband to put up a frame. And yes, you really did just hear my baby screaming in the background. This Miami mom am I for mommy of 4. So overall, this experience was just so therapeutic, and it just helped me in a word that I've been focusing on lately is about being intentional. And I want to be intentional this year, even if it's something as simple as a junk drawer. Let's give it some purpose. Let's give it some meaning. Let's give it some order. And follow me for a future video where I'm going to be speaking what does it mean to be intentional and how we can be productive in our everyday life. So look at the beautiful finished product. I'm so proud of it. And then I'm going to put it back in the drawer. But now it has a reason and a rhyme. And whenever anyone needs any of those little knickknacks that you need them from here to from some time to another, there it will all be. I hope this has encouraged and inspired you. And just remember, you do not need those expensive containers. Work with what you have. See you next time.